Sonakshi Manuel and I'm the principal of the school Shri Ram Global School. I welcome you heartily because we were expecting that most of the people they might have gone out for vacations or something like that. So it's simply great to see you guys sitting over here before me, and it takes an opportunity for me also to interact with you because as we are into the expansion mode, I want more and more people coming to us, clicking to us, and coming to such gatherings where we can interact to each other and we can know each other very well. So from my heart and soul, I would like to welcome you once more. As you can see, the front seat is entirely, empty. We are still on the waiting verge. My directors are on the way. They are going to take another 20 minutes to reach over here. My eminent guest of honors, they are also on the way and they are expected at 10:30 or 11 o'clock. So we are not going to hang on. We are going to start our program. And before that, let me ask you one thing. Is it a sunny day or is it a very, calm day, a cool day? What is it? Sunny day. So is it a comfortable day today? Kuch kuch? Okay, but it's a very beautiful day. Tell me why. Why is it a beautiful day? Because you guys are over here. You guys are over here after a 15 days performance. You are going to watch your kids live over here. You're going to see what exactly your kids have done. Right or wrong? Right? Can I have the enthusiasm more from you? More from them? Yes? Okay, because they have drank the Bonvita milk. So unme to energy bahut zyada hai. So we can see that energy to you also, right? Okay, welcoming you once again on the board. I have with me Mrs. Sonali Gaur, and she is a pediatrician from Palak Bihar. A very sweet person, and she is very jovial with the little ones as I have come to know. We welcome you, ma'am. And we are still waiting for our guest of honors, but we are going to start off with our program. So before we start on, I would just like to ask you one thing. We implemented one thing into our summer camp activity, and that is yoga. Can any one of you give me one reason why yoga is beneficial for little ones? I think अगर हम अपनी बात करते हैं तो we all are on the tracks of well-being and making ourselves fit and healthy. But what for the little ones? Why is it relevant for the little ones? Anyone? One reason?
Whenever they want, they can enjoy anyway. But I'm saying this culture should be inculcated since beginning. So it's kind of a right time to inculcate such behavior.
Great, great. And tell me one thing, we see that kids are so infused with energy and enthusiasm. Does yoga doing anything to affect that energy? Do you really think so? Is yoga doing anything? You say no. How many of you say no? How many of you say that kids have so much energy into themselves and yoga isn't doing anything to, to suppress that energy or to cultivate that energy into some positive era? How many of you say that? Yoga isn't doing anything for the little ones? Okay, we have a trainer over here, a very sweet person, a very bubbly person. She is going to speak on her own why yoga is relevant for the little ones. When I heard that yoga is going to be for the little ones, my first question was, yoga for the little ones? They are already so flexible, so cute and so slim and trim. Why do they need yoga? Then the things she came up with was so very surprising. I would like to call upon Miss Varuna so that she can explain you what is the relevance of yoga. Hi Varuna.
Namaste parents. Namaste. That's the first thing that your kids learned when they came in my class. And yes, ma'am has picked up a very valid topic, why yoga for kids. So as you must be going through, or we must be hearing that, oh, yoga is good for kids, yoga is good for everybody. And for us, once we reach 30, 40 years, and so many sometimes diseases come and grip us. And that is when we realize that most of the diseases or most of the problems are related to our lifestyle. And we start taking a corrective action at an age which is like, 30 years or 40 years. So just imagine if we go a little backward and if we start making little lifestyle changes at the age of 6 or 7. So what do you think what will happen to our kids if we just introduce little lifestyle changes to them at this age? Anybody? Be it yoga, be it physical exercise, be it just grounding them. What will happen when they will get to their age of 30 or 40 years? Yes, they'll be better, healthy, and I would say nowadays, more than the physical health, it's the emotional and the mental health. Like ma'am said, what yoga does it suppress or does it cultivate the energy in these kids? Kids are very energetic. We also feel very energetic when we are around kids. It is very important to ground them a little bit, and yoga essentially does that. So one of the performances that you will see here, you'll see the kids actually grounding. And when they ground, even for 1 minute, that cultivates more energy in them. Nowhere these energies suppressed, but they need to resume their energy, and yoga actually helps in doing that. With that, I just want to wrap up my note with 2 important points. One, of course, the philosophy of yoga is yoga kshamata anusar. Kshamata anusar meaning to each his or her own. We all are unique. We all have unique capabilities, and so are these kids. So kindly enjoy the unique capability of your own child and let these 20 days or 15 days that they've spent with me, let this be a start of a new lifestyle for them. Your kids are very smart. Each child who's on the stage is unique, is smart in his or her own way. All you have to tell your child or motivate your child, come on, let's say your happy mantra. Let's do a little laugh. Let's do a little yoga. And you don't need to do anything else. We'll do it. Just that be their shadows, just motivate them. 5 minutes, 10 minutes every day. And you'll see a change in them over time. Already you'll see what they were, or whatever we've tried to little bit instill in them. But from here on, I think it's each parent's responsibility, or you could say a task, to just keep this flame alive in them. What you see on stage today is just a glimpse. We could not showcase everything, but it's just a glimpse of what your child has learned in my classes. And again, I request each one of you, please continue to motivate your children. All you have to tell them is, let's just come and do yoga for 5-10 minutes. And you don't have to do anything else. They'll do everything all by themselves. With that, I welcome Yogini Charvi on stage, and she will tell you more about the yoga presentation. Charvi, from this end, come here. So the yoga presentation is about each one of us. Each one of us has a body, a soul, and a mind. And that's how the yoga presentation or the yoga showcase has been divided. So Charvi, I give the mic to you. Parents, can we have a round of applause?